Happy New Year! Recycled plastics are the core of the global sustainability movement, and BEIER Machinery's PET bottle recycling line stands out as an industry benchmark with outstanding efficiency and eco-friendly advantages. BEIER Machinery's PET bottle-to-bottle recycling line has earned the authoritative US FDA food-grade certification, featuring a 7 tons per hour high-precision washing system and a 1.5 tons per hour food-grade granulation system. Integrated with core craftsmanship, it achieves digital production control, removes impurities, and strictly complies with production standards at every stage, ensuring the recycled PET raw material fully meets the stringent quality requirements of food-grade packaging and related applications. BEIER Machinery is committed to technological innovation and leads the plastic recycling industry into a new era of green, efficient and sustainable development with cutting-edge technical strength.